Hello everyone, I'm Akash. I'm working as a DT co trainer at SNS institution. Today we are going to explore the business model Canva of Supabase, one of the fastest growing open source backend platforms in the developer ecosystem. Supabase is often called the open source alternative to Firebase. It helps developers to build applications quickly by providing backend services such as database, authentication, API, storage, and real-time features. The company was founded in 2020 by Anthony Williamson and Benji. Since then, Supabase has become highly popular among startup, indie developers, and entrepreneurs because of its simplicity, scalability, and open source approach. Now, let's understand Supabase using business model Canva. First, let's look at the customer segment. Supabase mainly target developers, startup business, and entrepreneur. Its primary user include web developer, mobile application developers, SaaS companies, startup founders, and AI developers. Supabase is especially attract for developers who want a faster backend solution without managing complex server infrastructures. The platform is also widely used by freelancers and indie hackers because it's reduced development's time and backend cost. Next is value proposition, which is one of the strongest part of Supabase. The biggest value provided by Supabase is simplifying backend develop simplifying backend development instead of building everything from the scratch. Developers can instantly access PostgreSQL. Developers can instantly access PostgreSQL database. Developers can instantly access PostgreSQL database, authentication system, API, files, storage, real-time features, and edge functions. Another major advantage is that Supabase is open source. This gives developers more flexibility, transparency, and control compared to many closed source backend platforms. Supabase also focused heavily on developer experience by providing each setup, modern documentation, community support, and scalability infrastructures. This allows developers to focus more on building products instead of spending time managing backend systems. Now let's move to the channel. Supabase mainly reaches customers through digital channels. The major channel include the official website, GitHub, YouTube tutorial, developer communities, technical blogs, hackathon, and social media platforms like LinkedIn and Twitter. One of the strongest one of the strongest channel is GitHub because Supabase is open source. Developers can directly explore the source code, contribute to the project, and engage with the community. Content marketing also plays a major role in their growth strategy. Many developers discover Supabase through coding tutorial, tech influencer, and developer-focused YouTube videos. Next is customer relationship. Supabase maintains customer relationship mainly through community-driven engagement. The company focused heavily on developer support, Discord communities, GitHub discussion, documentation, and technical support system. Since developers are the core audience, building trust and transparency is extremely important. Supabase also provide regular update, features, release, and direct communication with the user. The open source ecosystem helps create strong customer relationship because developers feel connecting to the platform and its growth. Now, let's understand revenue stream. Supabase follows Supabase follows premium business models. Supabase follows freemium business model. The platform offers the platform offers free plan for beginner and small projects. As users scale their applications, they can upgrade to paid plan. Major revenue streams include subscription plan, enterprise solution, cloud hosting, service advantage, scaling features, and additional storage or bandwidth usage. The model helps Supabase attract a large developer audience while generating revenue from growing startup and entrepreneur customers. Next are key resources. The major resources of Supabase include cloud infrastructure, engineering teams, and post-SQL ecosystem. Open source technical developers, communities, and brand reputation. The developers community is one of the strongest resources because community contribute, help improve the platform continuously. Now let's move to the key activities. Supabase focused on important activities such as backend platform development, cloud infrastructure management, open source contribution, documentation update, security improvement, scalability optimization, and community management. The company continuously adds new features like AI integration, edge function, and real-time system to remain competitive in modern developer ecosystem. Developer education is also important activity because tutorial and documentation directly influence adaptation. Next are key partners. Subabase, Subabase collaborate with open source contribution, AI tools ecosystem, and startup accelerators. The SQL open source ecosystem is also an important indirect partnership because Supabase is built around PostgreSQL technical. These partnerships help improve scalability, reliability, and ecosystem growth. Now let's understand the cost structure. The major cost of Supabase include cloud infrastructure expenses, research and development, engineering salaries, security maintenance, customer support, and marketing activities. Since Supabase provide cloud backend services, server infrastructure, and scaling costs from the major part of the business. Continue innovation and maintenance open source projects are also require significant investment. Now let's discuss an important recent incident involving Supabase in India. In late February 2026, Supabase faced a temporary accessibility issue in India. The Indian government issued an access restriction order under Section 69A of the IT Act. As a result of some internet service provider like Jio and Airtel temporarily blocked certain Supabase subdomain at the DNS level. This created a certain short-term access issue for developers and startups using Supabase services in India. However, Supabase quickly engaged with Indian authorities to resolve the issue. After discussion and clarification, the temporary block was officially lifted in March 2026. This incident highlighted how important cloud infrastructure platforms have become for modern development and startup. To conclude, Supabase has positioned itself as one of the most powerful open source backend platform for modern application development. It combines a combination of scalability, simplicity, open source flexibility, and developers friendly tool has helped in growth rapidly in the global tech ecosystem. And thank you for watching this video. We will